So today I wanted to try something different to look for a terrible flyer and make it to not be terrible. And I found this terrible design right here. This is the one of the worst flyers I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, this flyer was so disappointing. Whoever made this should be disappointed or should check back in and I don't know, improve his Photoshop skills. That's if you even use Photoshop. This looks like Canva. This is like something that a Canva beginner made. This design is terrible. Like, the only two things I can actually see on this design that are okay is the hamburger image and the logo. But that they're not even okay. They're just like not as terrible as the rest. If you look at this entire design, you would just find a whole bunch of problems with it. First thing is that the background, the entire background doesn't actually do justice to the text, doesn't do justice to the image itself, doesn't do justice to the message at all. It's a terrible choice of background. And also the visual hierarchy here is extremely terrible, and the information on this flyer is just excessive. Like, before you're even done looking at this entire flyer, you're guaranteed to be bored. You're guaranteed to take no action at all. So if you look here, it says super delicious burger now available. Then in very tiny writing it says order now, at affordable prices. Okay, there are affordable prices for everyone, never miss out. Like, that's so weird. And then down there's a click here to order, as if on a website. We're not on a website. Like, this is an offline and a static image. And then there's buy one get one free. It's just so terrible, guys. It's extremely terrible. um so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to look at this image and see how we can design something from this. We're going to use the the same burger image. We're going to use the logo because honestly that's what I can reuse here. And we're definitely going to use different choice of fonts. All right, so the first thing we are going to do here is to give it a background that actually looks like one where every anything at all related to food is going on. And here we go, a wooden background, and then I suppose the text too. The text shouldn't be something that is bulky, and it shouldn't be something that people would get bored reading. It has to be also something that offers value to people. Because when someone is looking at your design or looking at, I don't know, an ad post made by you, people don't care about you. They care about them. What do you want to do for us? What are you going to do for me? It's all about them, 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 them. So you have to make it seem that way. So this gets triple offer sounds amazing. Gets two lava burgers plus one free. But then it needs some burgers, so I added in three burgers over there. So it looks like they're just gonna get three burgers. It just looks very benefiting. And of course we have to add in some more stuff. I forgot to add, like, strike out the double to let them know that, hey, it's not double anymore, but you're getting triple at a great deal. Then added some subtle shadow, drop down shadow for one of the burgers. And yeah, since they're called lava burgers, I just thought, hey, I should add some flames and probably some lighting. And now at this point I think everything is good, so we'll have to start putting in the info. And we can put in the info at the bottom. And the most important thing here, after the person looks at the value proposition, the message, they have to take an action. And for that, they need to be a call to action. So this order now call to action is amazing. It's clear. Right below it shows them how they can order. And even here the icon shows that there's also free delivery. Like, the benefits just seem a lot, and it's more likely for an audience to engage with this post more. And yeah, maybe another thing we need to add here is, I guess, the logo and some shadows. And yeah, here we have it. We have tell me, isn't this better than the terrible design that I showed you guys at the beginning of this video? This design right here goes on, it has a clear message. Maybe I could have used better fonts for this design, but at least this design actually does give a message. When you look at it here, it says get triple, not double, get triple, a triple deal. You're gonna get 2 lava burgers plus 1 free, and you can order it right now on our website or give us a call and get free delivery. When people see this, they start thinking, hey, I'm getting a deal here. I'm getting 3 amazing burgers at probably a cheaper price, and they're offering free delivery. Why don't I check these guys out? This makes the flyer much more valuable than this trash that I saw online. Like, this is so terrible. I just pray that the person who designed this is watching this video and is going to take notes from it. Well, that's all for today. If you guys really enjoyed this video, it will really support this channel and help me to make more. Yeah, it will really help out really if you subscribe to this channel. Give a like, tell me what you think in the comments, and maybe what design you want me to work on next. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.